So without wasting much of your time, in today's video, I'll be sharing strategy on how to get views and followers on TikTok to start earning on TikTok. Yes, TikTok does not pay Nigeria TikTokers, but there are some ways and strategy which you can make money on TikTok. So in today's video, I'm going to share you simple step on how I was able to get over 70,000 followers on TikTok and ways which you can make money on TikTok even without being monetized as a Nigeria TikTok. So how to make money on TikTok as a Nigeria TikToker is number one, going live. Whenever you go live, you can make money through your live videos. People can come there and gift you gifts, and all those gifts can be generated to money. You can withdraw those money. Another way of earning on TikTok is campaign, music campaign. How this campaign work is that maybe when a musician drop a new video, a new music, you TikTok will bring it out, and like maybe you should just do anything with the video, with the music, just do anything with the music and then post. So how it works is that the most liked video and the most comment video is going to get an award for it. Another way again which you can get money on TikTok is people gifting you through your video. There's a certain place you reach on TikTok. People can be gifting you through your video. When they see your video, there will be a place where they can click to gift you for that video. So you are not monetized, but people can gift you through a particular video, and a particular video can give you money. So, but you need some requirements for you to meet up with these three ways which you can make money on TikTok that I just mentioned. I say one, going live. Second, campaign, music campaign. Thirdly, um, people gifting you through your video. So for you to be eligible for this, to go live, you need 1,000 followers for you to go live on TikTok. For people to start gifting you, you need 1,000 followers. So and if you're finding it difficult to get 1,000 followers, you are at the right place. Okay, for you to start going on campaigns and for people to start gifting your video, for you to be eligible for people to start gifting your video, you need 10,000 followers on TikTok. So if you're finding it difficult on how to get these followers, I'm going to give you a few strategy on how I was able to get over 70 followers on TikTok. Yes, I will just wake up in the morning and I'm getting over 5,000 followers on TikTok. That is just it. So, one thing that you can do is just very simple. It's not like a very difficult thing, just very simple. You can do it at any of your comfort zone or anytime that you're just free. You can go on on Instagram, you search for trending videos. The video might not even be trending at that moment, or it might just be a video that maybe one celebrity posted immediately. You just get the video and then you edit it. You just do some write up and some few things, edit it and post it on your TikTok. My dear, you will get followers. Okay, you can just also get a trendy topic. Immediately that topic is trending, you just take it, post it on your TikTok. You are getting followers immediately. You don't need to know how to dance, you don't need to know how to sing. Just go on internet and source for videos that are attractive, videos people want to see, videos people have not seen. Let me say the video just drop a video where he's traveling to this place. So people like the video, people like things like that. You pick it immediately and then you post it with just little edition. And one thing about TikTok that I like is that you don't need to do much edition. You don't need it. TikTok will not start TikTok will not say it's copyright. No, TikTok does not do that. Just add a sound to it, or just edit it. Just do it in form of like college. You put a write up here and then you put the video here. TikTok is going to accept it and that video is good to go. So with this strategy, if you try it, if you implement it, if you get attractive videos, just do small edition, post them on your TikTok constantly. One day you see how your TikTok is going to blow. Like you will not believe it. That is how you just start getting subscribers, start getting views, just like that. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video, drop a comment. If you have any question to ask, you ask me on the comment section. Bye guys, see you in my next video.